Hi Nandu.
Hi Anu.
What do you think? Java is best or Python is best?
I think Python because Python is an interpreted language.
I think Java is best because Java is faster than Python as it is a compiled language.
Python is used to build websites and softwares.
Java is used for coding web applications.
You know most of apps like Spotify, Instagram, ChatGPT, Dropbox are used in Python.
Even Opera Mini, UC browser, CodeGym uses Java language.
Python keeps the code brief, organized and readable.
Yeah, I agree with that. More time and efforts are needed for the developers to understand Java code.
Yeah, super. You agree that Java is difficult, no?
Okay, I would like to conclude that both Java and Python languages have their own benefits. It is up to you to opt for a particular language for your project.
While Python codes are dynamically coded.
While Java is statistically coded. Okay, thank you.